Today we are going to be taking a look at the Haropla Haro Control Blue. It's a new model kit. Was made in 2018. According to the box, this requires no glue, tools to assemble. It's recommended for children ages 3 and up. This is number 5 in the Haropla line. The suggested retail price is 500 yen. Have some more box art. And we've got what the model will look like once it's partially assembled. Picture of the model here. Model on its base, all opened up with its extra bits. And some more in the same line. This looks like the Momo Haro from Build Divers, and then the orange Haro as well. Have another picture on of the box here, of the Haro on it. So let's see what we have inside of the box. We have a bag of all the runners. In the instruction sheet, and it appears that that's it. We have 2 runners inside of the bag. We have runner A1. Looks like it's got some nice blue detail parts here. Looks like some gray parts here as well. Have some purple parts. And it looks like we also have the base for the Haro to sit in. And if you notice, it's designed to fit into the bases of the other Haros in the same line. We have the second runner with what would be sort of the equivalent of the internal frame of the Haro. Some hands for the Haro. We have the face of the Haro. You can see it's hollow for the eye holes on there. Got some. It's not a whole very detailed kit, but they're not really technically supposed to be. There is a lot of detail on the what would be the internal frame of the Haro. We also have the manual that came in the box. Haro Control Blue. It's not a very complicated manual. Doesn't look like it's going to be too difficult to assemble. You've got a picture of the Haro here with all of its feet and arms on it, sitting on the base, and then the Haro in ball mode that's sitting on the base as well. Now, it has some instructions here on how to remove the parts from the runners. You do see that it does have some English instructions in here as well, which is nice, especially for those of us here in the West. And for those of us who are going to be doing a paint up on the kit, it has the color guide here as well. And on the back, we have the complete assembly instructions. Again, not a terribly complicated build. One of the things that immediately stands out to me that I really kind of like is the fact that it has storage for all of the extra bits that come with the Haro, which is nice. It also looks like when it's in ball mode, the stand, the little peg that it sits on to sit on top of the stand, can also be stored on the stand itself. Alright, so So that is the manual. Alright, so guys, that's everything in the box. So this is my first review. If you could like and comment and let me know what you guys think and how I can improve, I'd really appreciate it. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this, and if you'd like to, go ahead and click subscribe to stay up to date with all of my future unboxings and upcoming build videos. Thank you, and have a good day.